The technology that we brought into the CILS due to the generous gift of Mr. Scott Beeler is profound for our students. It really provides them with state-of-the-art technology that they can take with them into practice as they leave Daemen University with their degree. So today here in the CILS, it's just a wonderful experience for our students. It's their first opportunity to see our point-of-care ultrasound units in practice along with our high-fidelity simulation mannequin. What we've done is we've pulled together physical therapy students, nurse practitioner students, as well as physician assistant students. Interprofessional education is so important for healthcare, for safety, for promoting optimal outcomes with our patients. We want our students to come together and work as a team. So they're getting their first introduction of that today in our CILS, looking at point-of-care ultrasound from a cardiovascular perspective example, as well as musculoskeletal example. And then with the high-fidelity mannequin, they're looking at a particular patient that has just had a massive trauma and they're in the intensive care unit, and how do we manage that patient?